Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over Maxbounty, specifically how to earn unlimited money with Maxbounty using Picoworkers. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel we going over Maxbounty, how to earn unlimited money with Maxbounty. And the reason why I say the money is going to be unlimited, because it's really up to you. It's up to if you want to promote the offer more, or you want to promote it less, or you want to promote it every day, or you want to promote it just on Fridays. It's up to you. You know, it's really up to your work ethic that will determine how much money you make, because the offer I'm about to share with you on Maxbounty, this offer does not have a daily cap on leads. So once I show you the method, once I show you the offer, you know, you can scale this up to, you know, however much your budget allows you to. So, you know, it's really unlimited money. However much money you can make for yourself, however much money you want to reinvest after you make from running this campaign the first time, it's all up to you. Now, what we're going to be doing today is using Picoworkers. Now, Picoworkers, everybody has known about this for a minute, but they have rebranded their website and it looks way cleaner now. And I just want to show you the new Picoworkers. If you're probably familiar with it, probably used to look like this, and you would see how, you know, people basically, you can come on here and post small jobs and pay people to complete small tasks. So the goal is to get what's called an incentive offer from Maxbounty. You would have to have a Maxbounty account to do this. You can sign up in the description. I have a link. But what we're doing is we're taking incentive offers from Maxbounty, meaning we're offering to pay people for completing the service. So these offers on Maxbounty allow us to pay people for completing the service. And how Picoworkers is set up is that, you know, you come on here, it's a marketplace for freelancers and business owners. So, you know, if I need somebody, if I need, you know, 1,000 people to watch this YouTube video, I can pay 1,000 people to watch this YouTube video. Or if I need 500 people to sign up on this article or this affiliate offer, you know, I can pay to have that, you know, happen. So, you know, deliver work, get paid, you know what I'm saying? You know, you can set up small gigs, you know, and I'm about to go into Picoworkers just to show you, post your affiliate links on blog, you know, earn passive income for life, man. So that's the benefits of Picoworkers. And when we go into Picoworker, you will see like the different offers they have here, right? So look at this offer, Fruit Lab sign up, you know. So, this job currently unavailable, got completed, you know, but yeah, you know, they have a bunch of different offers. Let's just refresh this page. A bunch of different offers here. You know, this is a new one, most recent. You can see what they normally charge, 4 cents, 8 cents, 52 done. This one, they wanted you to watch a YouTube video, subscribe and share, and you will get paid 8 cents. And how it works basically is you would create a Picoworkers account. You would fund your account, and then you would just post a job. And when you post your job, you would have all of the specifics within the job description. So like, let's just go to this, click start sign up. So what is expected from the workers? If you look over here to the right, you will see like, go to this website, click on publisher account, sign up, enter referral ID, you know, complete email verification. You know, this is their requirements for their job for you to get paid. And you can see 85 people have done it. And then campaigns normally last for about 7 days. So on Maxbounty, you know, the winning offer, let's just go over the winning offer and the method so you can have everything for you. Now we're going to be using what's called your surveys. So what we're doing is we're running an incentive offer campaign, paying people to complete this survey. That's what we're doing. We're going to pay people to complete this survey. You see right here. Let's go to it. Now, hold on. I got to log back in. So I got it pulled up right here. As you can see, your surveys, incentive, and why you are able to make unlimited money from this. You know, you get $1 per lead, but you know, it does not have a daily cap. So for every person you get 100 people a day to fill this out, you'll get $100 a day. You know, you get 200 people a day, fill this out, you'll get $200 per day. You know, it's really up to you. Now, we're going to go over it deeper. No search restrictions, but how you would set up this campaign. First, you would fund your account. You just have to add money into your Picoworkers account. And then you would go to post a job, right? So post a job, we can see, if we go back to our Maxbounty campaign right here, we can see what's the allowed traffic incentive is allowed, and the commission details are, we get $1 on a completed survey. When we go to the web page of this, very simple. It looks very simple. Just enter the email to get started. They enter their email, answer a couple questions, you get $1. So it's very simple. It's nothing hard. It's nothing that they have to, you know, really think about. So that's what I want to promote, like offers that's very easy, something that somebody can do in a couple minutes on their phone, you know, not really asking too much, but they can still generate a lead or a commission for us. So, you know, we got the your surveys incentive, and if you're watching this from a different country, you could use these surveys, or, you know, you can, or if you want to specifically target a certain, like the United Kingdom or Canada, or, you know what I'm saying, Australia, they have different you know, surveys for each country. So don't get discouraged if, you know, if you're not from the United States and you can't use this method. So we got here, build a tracking link. Let's just get the tracking link, raw link, right? We go copy that link, copy that. And when we set up a new campaign, so we see this campaign is United States only, doesn't have a daily cap, all operating devices allowed. So when we go to post our job and choose our targeting zone, we choose the United States Western. Then any areas you want to exclude, we want to exclude everything but the United States. That's the only thing we want for this offer. Then, you know, you see the different job categories they have. So just to give you an example, like you can use Picoworkers for more things than just Maxbounty. If you have a website, you want to gain traffic, if you want to gain comments, like you could pay people to, you know, do the work. And these are real human bots. Like they go through a lot of verification, you know, on Picoworkers. There's like a lot of methods to just verify that you are a human and not a bot. So this website, you know, it just to give you some perspective, this website gets 1 million visits, unique visits per month. So it's a lot of new workers and a lot of new people coming here for work and looking to get money because they know it's reliable. Like even on Trustpilot reviews, you will see people saying or leaving reviews that Picoworkers has been reliable for them. So you will see right here all of the different categories: Facebook, Twitter, forums, mobile applications, computer programs if you need somebody to install. So I really got to make more videos about this because so many different ways you could approach Maxbounty and Picoworkers, or just CPA marketing and Picoworkers. You know, it's just a very powerful platform to use. So if we go to sign up, right? Sign up, and then we're gonna go to we're running let's say surveys and offers, you know, up to 10 questions, because I don't know exactly how much it is, but it shouldn't be that much. So 45 cents. So this is where we come in. So your budget right now, I only got $10 in my account, but you know, if I wanted, let's say if I wanted 100 leads a day, how much would that cost? It would cost $48, right? And you would be receiving a 50% of return on investment. So you just got to remember, you know, that about scaling up. You receive, like, if you invest, you know, if you want 100 leads to get $100, you would have to put in, you know, $48, you know, to make that. So, you know, it all depends on what you know, want to use this for, you know, how you want to approach it. But let's see, how many workers can I afford right now? 23. I could afford 20 of y'all for sure. Yeah, so I could get 20 leads right now. I could make $20 for $10. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, hey, Y'all see how it works. So it's your boy YON WORLD. I'm out. Peace.